Hi all, welcome to JJ Coders. In this video, we will see an example C program to display a multiplication table of the given input number using the for loop. To do so, let me create a C program in the VS Code. I am naming it as tables.c. I am including the header file stdio.h to use the printf and scanf statement. Next, I am creating the main function of the program. And within the main function, in the declaration part, I am declaring two integer variables I and n. Next, I am adding a printf to display enter a number. Following it, I am adding a scanf to read the integer value for the variable n. After reading the value for n, I am creating a for loop which will display the multiplication table. In the for loop, I am initializing the integer value I equal to 1. And for the condition part, I am giving the condition I should be less than or equal to 10. And in the updating part, I am adding I with increment operator I++. And within the for body, I am adding a printf to display the multiplication table. And finally, I am adding return 0 at the end of the main function. Now, let me explain how this for loop is going to work. While on program execution, the program will ask me to enter a number. Once I enter the number, it will read the value and store it inside n using the scanf. Next, it will come to the for loop. The for loop is controlled by I. I is initialized with 1. And the condition is given as I is less than or equal to 10, which is true because 1 is less than or equal to 10 is true. So it will enter the loop. In the printf, for the first %d, the value of n will be displayed. Imagine we have entered the value as 5. So 5 will be displayed. And for the display sake, we have given into. And for the next %d, the value of I will be displayed, which is 1. It will be displayed. And then I equal to will be displayed. And then after the equal to, in the third %d, the multiplication of n and I will be displayed. That means, in our case, 2 into 1, 2 will be displayed. After printing this printf, as per loop, it will again go to the line number 9. And now the value of I will be incremented by 1. So the I will become 2. Now it will check the condition again. 2 is less than or equal to 10, which is true. Again, the printer will be displayed. Now it will be displayed like 2 into 2 equal to 4. Because the value of n is 2 and the value of I is also 2 and the value of n into I, that means 2 into 2 is 4. Now again the execution will go to line number 9. Now the value of I will be incremented to 3. Again the condition will be checked. 3 is less than or equal to 10, which is true. It will enter the loop. Now the printf will be displayed like 2 into the value of I is 3, so 3 displayed equal to, in the third %d, 2 into 3, 6 is displayed. Similarly, this loop will run until the value of I becomes 11. At this time, this loop might have printed the multiplication table up to 10. Let's save the program, and to compile it, in VS Code terminal window, type gcc space tables.c and then press enter. And to run the program, in the same terminal window, type /a.exe. In the console, the output is asking me to enter a number. I am giving 5 as the input. You can see the multiplication table for 5 is displayed. On the second execution, I am giving 2 as the input number. Now you can see multiplication table for 2 is displayed. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Also, please subscribe if you are new to this channel.